Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Miller here. Let's go for a drive. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jonathan Miller. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and then little notification bell. That way you guys will be up to date when all the new videos upload. So hey guys, I'm back here at my friends at Conshock and Porsche. It is February the 20th and blue sky, 70 degrees. It's unbelievable. It's like summer. It's just amazing, perfect day to look at the car I'm going to look at today. Today we're looking at a 2017 Porsche 911 991.2 Targa 4 GTS. So I just want to start this video off by saying thank you Porsche for 3 pedals. It's one of the only exotic sports cars you can get with 3 pedals still. The probably closest cars you can get are a Corvette and a BMW M3 M4. Aside from that, the 3 pedals have gone bye-bye. So the car we're looking at is a 2017 911 Targa 4 GTS in jet black metallic with a red Targa roof. The Targa GTS is powered by a 3-liter twin turbocharged Boxster 6-cylinder, making 450 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque through an all-wheel drive system. So the Targa 4 GTS, as we said, is 4-wheel drive. The GTSs are basically a bridge between the Carrera S Line 4S and then the GT3s. So they've got bigger forged wheels, they've got the wide body, they've got 4-wheel drive, and they've got the larger output 450 horsepower 3-liter twin turbo motor. The GTSs come with the sport exhaust system, and this one has black high gloss tailpipes. So they're centrally mounted on the sport exhaust system. On the normal exhaust system, they're one on each side. There is a button inside the car to open up the valves to make the car louder or quieter depending on your driving mode. So this car has the optional LED headlights. It comes standard with xenons, and also, as you can see, inside the headlight is black. Standard is a silver. So this car basically has blacked out headlights with the LEDs and the daytime running lights. We'll turn those on and see what they look like. So there are the 4 little LEDs in the headlights, which give you your daytime running lights on these 991.2 911s. It's probably hard to see in the video because they get a little washed out in the light. The wide body 4 models on the 911s have this full light bar reminiscent of the old 90s 993 models. I think it looks really awesome. And I don't know if you guys have seen the new spy shots of the 992, but it looks like it has a similar cosmetic feature. So if you see a Porsche, a new Porsche with this full light bar, you'll know that that's a 4-wheel drive, a wide body model. So this 911 Targa 4 GTS does have the retractable spoiler that comes at its speed. You can also put it up at the push of a button. The GTSs come with the Turbo S wheels. The fronts are 9x20 with a 245/35/20 tire. The rears are a 12 by 20 with a 305/30/20 tire. That's actually a ½ an inch wider than the 911 Turbo S that we looked at. So let's take a look inside this Targa Ford GTS. As you can see, it is bathed in Alcantara. This car has the optional GTS interior package, so you'll get all the red stitching on the dash. You'll get it on the seats. You'll get the embossed GTS on the headrest. As you can see, the seats are a two-tone leather Alcantara. Alcantara steering wheel. Bottom of the dash is Alcantara. The stick shift boot and half the knob is Alcantara. We've got the red seat belts to match with the red theme. We've also got the carmine red tachometer, which is a pretty nice touch. And everything matches black and red. Black car, red roof. Black interior, red accents and stitching. So this car has the optional carmine red tachometer. You can get the dials in, I think, pretty much any color. I've seen red, black is standard, white is probably my favorite color, yellow. So this car has the full Alcantara steering wheel. It's very soft. I don't know if you've ever guys have tracked cars, but a nice Alcantara suede steering wheel with your suede racing gloves kind of makes them stick together, which is pretty nice. As we said, Alcantara shift boot. It's Alcantara in the front and this aluminum look on the back with the gear pattern on top. Here are all your buttons. So this is for to change up your suspension, traction off. This will open up the exhaust valves, make the exhaust ladder. It's for the rear spoiler up and down. This one will open the top and this one will close the top. And the GTSs come with the carbon fiber trim. Once you're in the dash where the cup holder is, in the center stalk, around the key. So the 911s do not have the conventional e-brake. This is your parking brake. It's on right now, it's red. To release it, you pull it forward. To put it on, give it a push. I really appreciate Porsche. I mean, Porsches have always been built as drivers' cars, which should have a manual transmission. If you want to go on the track, you want the fastest shifts you want, please upgrade to the PDK. If you're cruising around town, which probably 99% of people are doing, and you just want that pure enjoyment of driving a sports car, you definitely need 3 pedals. It's going to be a lost art soon. I mean, I don't know what to say. Thank you again, Porsche. So to start the car, you depress the clutch pedal, and we can shift through the gears. You can heel toe on this pretty well. So now it's hard to see with the sun glaring, but it's a 7-speed. We'll just run through the gears quick. Reverse is, so here's neutral. Reverse, we'll push it to the left and a little further, it's pretty hard, and up. So that's reverse. Back down is neutral. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. of how this top works. So basically, this rear glass will come up first. The Targa top is stored behind the seats there. Now once that rear glass has gone down, the Targa top will pop up from its little shelf. And then the next step will be that it will fold, come over the roof and fold down. You can see these little black pieces come off the Targa roof. So what do you guys think about this car? I mean, I think on a beautiful sunny day like this, it's a pretty nice car, four-wheel drive, 450 horsepower, 7-speed manual, put the top down, you're in your Porsche 911. Probably life can't get much better than that as in terms of driving a car on a day like today. I think this spec is pretty awesome. A black GTS, so it gets a little more aggressive front bumper cover. The blacked out headlights, the blacked out Ford center lock wheels with the red calipers, the red roof, the black and leather and Alcantara interior with the red stitching, the red taillights, the red bar on the back, the blacked out tailpipes. I think this spec is pretty on target. Let's take a look at this interior again. The top down on this beautiful sunny day. I mean, this is a pretty perfect car. 7-speed manual gearbox, 3 pedals. Thank you again, Porsche. That's just unbelievable. If you can afford this $159,000 Targa, you can get 3 pedals on your car. I really do like on this GTS how the Targa roll hoop here is in black and not silver. This is a metallic paint. I don't know if you can see it in the sun there. It's very shiny. I really love the look, the design of these wheels. Ford center lock with the big monoblock red caliper. This car does not have the ceramic brakes, as we said in the previous video. Porsche's ceramic brakes are usually colored with the yellow caliper. So these are red calipers, which means they have steel rotors. For the street, they'll probably do their job pretty well. That rear tire on this car is massive. 12 inches wide, a 305 tire on this wide body car. I just want to thank my friends again at Conshock and Porsche for inviting me out once again to check out this 2017 Porsche 911 991.2 Targa Ford GTS. Beautiful car. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below. Hit the little bell to notify you when new videos are available for your viewing. I appreciate all the support. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers so I can bring you guys the best content out there. Thanks again, appreciate it, and take care.